Welcome to this, the fifth and last video lesson in this 5-video lesson series where we talk about paid speaking events. In this lesson, we're going to talk about where and how to find speaking events in your niche. You need to find speaking engagements within your niche. It's not that hard to do if you're truly involved with your niche. You need to join Facebook groups, join LinkedIn groups, and attend their events if you want to be able to speak at them. Local and national speakers bureaus. There are speakers bureaus that you can sign up with should you wish to speak at events. You'll usually need to submit some proof of your expertise and even videos of your former speaking engagements. Don't worry, you can make a video of you speaking without ever showing the audience. Right in your own home if you wish. You could also use a webinar event if you have held your own webinars at some point. American Program Bureau. This is a global speakers bureau that you can sign up to speak with. This organization often books celebrity speakers, so you'll need a lot of experience to qualify, but you don't have to be a star or an actor. You can be a celebrity within your own niche to get in. Take a look at this non-affiliate link. Speakers.com. This is a great place to get listed. It might take a bit of work because you must go through an evaluation program, but once you have some gigs under your belt, this is a great way to get found by all sorts of organizations. Get your profile organized and ready so that you can stand out. The link for this facility is as shown here. Networking. Go to events within your niche. Try to get to know the event planners. If it's an annual event, exchange cards, and if an opening occurs, give them your details so that they know you're available to speak. You can also ask them directly about their process of choosing speakers when you follow up with them after the fact. Join industry associations. One way to get on the radar and find calls for speakers is to join various associations that encompass your niche. For example, if you speak about making money with art, you may want to join various art councils. Host your own event. You can set up your own event in your location and then market it locally and nationally, charging a small entrance fee. There are plenty of small venues you can rent inexpensively in your local area or in a city near your local area. All you need is for them to provide audio equipment and the ability to project or show your slideshow to the audience. Beverages and snacks are nice too. Create a media kit. This is very important if you want to sell yourself as a speaker. You should create a media kit for your website that should include some or all of the following: a letter of introduction, video, headshots, speaking photography, speaking topics, past engagements, testimonials, all contact information, books and publications, accomplishments, awards, education, media appearance list, calendar, setup requirements, services. Ensure that your contact information is on every single page that you create and make them printable PDFs. You may need to give this information to someone in paper form. It will be great if they can print it out as one cohesive document as well as individual pieces. Build your online presence. Make good use of using social media, articles, blog posts, YouTube videos, and more. Your website should be professional. Make it stand out and make it obvious you want to speak at events and the sort of events you want to speak at. Tell people. You can tell people in your groups and at networking events that you're open for speaking engagements. You can also set up a form and run an advertisement online to get booked at various times throughout the year. The important point is not to leave any stone unturned in your quest to find speaking engagements in your niche. In addition, start creating examples of your expertise as a speaker in your line of work by using YouTube or Facebook Live to show what you can do. That concludes our 5 video lessons.